Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Karazgi Orchid channel. I am Veena teacher teaching you science subject for grade 3. What we have studied in our last session students? Yes, we have completed birds and their bodies, isn't it? Now open your canopy page number 44. I would like to tell you about our heritage. Okay, now see. Do you know students, the national bird of India? Which is our national bird? Yes, the peacock is the national bird of India. Keep in your mind, this is very important. This is very important question for GK. So it is found throughout the India and lives mostly in forest. The male peacock has colorful tail feathers which is spread out. You can see in the picture, isn't it? Clear? Understood? Yes. Now see this picture. Can you name these birds, students? See, in the first picture, which bird is there? Yes, we have studied about these birds in our last chapter. I hope you remember. Yes, tell me, which bird is this? First is pigeon and the second one is peacock. Very good, correct. Now, what is the color of peacock, students? Yes, tell me, what is the color of peacock? Yes, correct, green color. Now just see how many legs do these birds have? Both the birds, just compare both the birds. How many legs both the birds are having? Yes, I hope you all are saying, teacher, both the birds are having same legs. 2 legs they are having. Yes, you are correct. Now what about wings? How many wings they do have? Tell me. Yes, we have studied about wings of birds, isn't it? Tell me how many wings they do have? Correct. Both the birds are having 2 wings. Very good. Now my next question is, do they have similar beaks, students? Beaks. See, as humans have mouth, so birds have beaks. Now tell me. See, just observe the pigeon beak and the peacock beak. They do have similarity? Anything is similar? No. Pigeon is having very short and how it is? Short beak is there, isn't it? And what about peacock? Parrot. What about parrot? Parrot is having curved beak, isn't it? You can see curved beak. Correct? Yes. Now tell me, what does it like to eat? Parrot. What parrot like to eat? Yes, parrot like to eat guava and chilies. Now tell me, where does it live, students? Yes, do you know? Where does this bird live? In tree or on branch or on the ground or in the water? Yes, where pigeon live? Yes, where did you see these birds? Yes, so some students are saying that we have seen these birds on in tree, on a branch, or sometimes you have seen the pigeons on ground. You can see right now in the first picture, pigeon is on the ground, isn't it? Can it fly? Yes, these birds can fly, students. Yes, they can fly. What about walk? Can it walk? Yes, they can walk also. Now, have you seen its nest, students? Yes. What is mean by nest? Their house, birds of house. Have you seen? If you have seen, where does it build its nest? Yes, where they build their nest. And how does it build? Yes, means what material they will use. Have you ever think about this? Yes, Again I'll repeat my question. Have you seen the nest of birds? Yes or no? Just tell me. Yes. Some are saying yes teacher. Some are saying no teacher. It's okay. No problem. Now, those you have seen, how do they look? Yes, I am asking about nest. Tell me, how do they look? See, they look in this way. Just observe the nest. This is the bird nest. Now tell me, where are they built, this nest? Yes, just think. You have seen the nest, but where they built this nest? Yes. See, and what material they will use to build the nest? See, I had given here, birds construct nest from natural materials such as grass, leaves, mud and fur, or from human-made materials like paper, plastic and these materials they will use to build the nest, isn't it? Now, where we have seen these nests? So, nest can be found almost anywhere, like on the ground, in trees, in burrows, on the side of cliffs, in and on human-made structures and etc. Now, I will show you the pictures of the nest where you can see. See, in the first picture you can see on the ground, and then in this picture you can see it is on the tree. See, they can live in burrow also. Now see, between the trees this homemade human made structure means our house. In our house, wherever they find open space, wherever they feel safety, there they can make their nest, isn't it? You have seen? Okay, now I'll move to the next. Now what you have studied about the bird, students, in our last session? Yes, you have studied that birds are the living things. They have wings to fly and they lay eggs to produce their young ones, isn't it? And they need homes to protect their young ones. See, I'll repeat again what you have studied in your last session. Birds are the living things. They have wings to fly. They lay eggs to produce their young ones, and they need homes to protect their young ones, isn't it? Now, I hope you all have understood. Today we are going to study about nesting habits of birds. Clear? Yes. In this chapter, what you are going to learn? How birds reproduce and the different kinds of nest that birds build, and why some birds travel long distance. These points we are going to study from this chapter. Okay. Before that, we will read this full lesson and we will start. Okay. Come on, open your canopy now. Page number 45. Now I'll play the audio. Now what you are going to do? You are going to keep your finger or pencil on each and every line. Shall we start? Yes.
Nesting habits of birds.
Learning objectives. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to describe how birds reproduce, describe the different kinds of nests that birds build, say why some birds travel long distances. Mind opener. Have you seen the nests of birds? How do they look? Where are they built? Have you peeked inside one?
How do birds reproduce? All birds reproduce by laying eggs. When they have to lay eggs, they build homes called nests. Usually, the female bird, the mother, sits on the eggs to keep them warm. Sometimes, the male bird, the father, also sits on them. After a few days, the eggs break open and baby birds, chicks, come out. This is called hatching. Most chicks do not have feathers. They are as helpless as you were when you were born. Some chicks have feathers and can run around. The parents protect and feed the chicks until they can look after themselves and learn to fly. After the young birds fly away, the parents also leave the nest. Most birds build a new nest every time they have to lay eggs.
Next page open.
Different birds build different kinds of nests. Most birds use twigs, leaves, cotton or feathers to make their nests. Some birds use pebbles and mud. A weaver bird makes a ball-like nest that hangs from a tree. The nest has an opening at the bottom through which the bird enters and leaves. A tailor bird stitches leaves together to make a nest. An eagle builds its nest high on trees or cliffs with sticks and twigs. A stork builds its nest on trees with sticks. A woodpecker makes a hole in a tree trunk and uses it as its nest. A swan builds its nest on the ground near water bodies using reeds and grass. Some kinds of swallow build nests on cliffs and walls with mud. Some kinds of penguins build nests with stones. The emperor penguin holds its egg on its feet and warms it with its body. Migration. Birds are great travelers. Many birds that live in cold places fly thousands of kilometers to warmer places during winter. They lay their eggs there. When the winter is over, they fly back with their young ones. Their long journey is called migration. For example, Siberian cranes fly from Siberia in Russia to China or Iran in the winter. They fly back to Siberia in the summer. No one knows how these birds find their way. Perhaps they use the position of the sun and the star.
Okay, now you have, I hope you all have done with this audio full reading. Okay, now close your textbook canopy. Close everyone. Now we will see one by one, point wise. Now see, all you know that all living creatures give birth to their own kind. Like you can see in the first picture, we humans, mother give birth to baby, isn't it? What about animals? Yes, animal also give birth to the baby. Okay, and what about birds? Yes, birds also living thing, even they will give birth in their own kind. Okay, why we are saying own kind? Because some animals like snake and all, they give eggs also, isn't it? They lay eggs. What about birds? Yes, students, you just think. Okay, before that I would like to ask you one question. You see many birds around you, isn't it? Have you thought about where birds live during the day or where they disappear at night? Yes? Have you ever thought about this? Where birds live during the day and where they disappear at night? Yes, students? You see birds near your house or no? You will see on the tree in daytime, during the day. What about night? Suddenly at night, did you see the birds flying here and there at night? No, they will disappear, isn't it? Now, have you ever thought where they go? Yes. See, like human beings, birds need homes to protect themselves, isn't it? And their young ones from bad weather and enemies. See, human beings means we are the human beings. See, we go to school, we come back. Where we come back? To our home, isn't it? Now, why we are staying in our home? To protect us from sun, wind, from enemies, bad people, from animal. Now what about birds? Yes, birds also living things. They also eat like us. They are also breathing, isn't it? So birds also need home or no? Yes, they need home. Why they need home? To protect themselves and their young ones, isn't it? And from bad weather and enemies. Correct or no? Yes. So birds also need homes to protect themselves and their young ones from bad weather and enemies. Now tell me, how do birds reproduce? Yes, we have seen about humans, we have studied about humans and animals. What about birds? Yes? See, all birds reproduce by laying eggs. All birds, I am saying, all birds reproduce by laying eggs. See the birds, like this, they will lay the eggs. When they have to lay eggs, they build homes called nest. See, whenever bird want to lay eggs, that time only what they will do? They will build one nest. By seeing the safe place, they will build the nest and they will lay the eggs. So they build homes called nest. Okay, got it? What is the bird home? Nest is called nest. Understood? Now tell me, where does a bird live, students? Yes, where does a bird live? Yes, bird lives in desert, mountain, forest. Some bird lives in water also. Some bird lives in some people keep parrot as a pet animal, pet bird, isn't it? So you can give different answer, isn't it? Now second question, why do you think bird build the nest? Yes, because nest provide a safe place for eggs and young birds to develop, isn't it? See, to protect themselves from bad weather and to protect their young ones, they need a nest or no? Yes, that's why they build the nest. Clear? Now see the next point. See, usually the female bird means mother, the mother, female, sits on the eggs to keep them warm. Sometimes the male bird, the father, also sits on them. See, you can see in the picture, whenever they lay eggs, immediately they will not leave eggs there only. What they will do? They will sit on them to keep them warm. Immediately birds will not come from the egg. Okay, so it takes some time, it takes some duration. So till that time, what the mother bird does? Mother bird and father bird, they will sit on eggs. Understood? Yes. Then what happened after sitting so many days? Then after a few days, the eggs break open and the baby birds called chicks come out. This is called hatching. Keep in your mind, students. Now see, you can see in this picture what happened. After few days, slowly the eggs break open, and what will come from that eggs? Baby bird called as a chicks. Keep in your mind, chicks. Yes, I'll repeat again. See, what will happen when the eggs break up? The baby bird comes out. What they call? Chicks. Clear? And this process is called as a hatching. Keep in your mind, hatching. Okay? Now you can see in both the picture. I'll show you one small video also later on. Now tell me, how does a bird keep its eggs safe and warm, students? Yes? Just now we have seen now? Yes? How they keep their eggs safe and warm? By sitting on them. See, if they have lay eggs on the nest and they will fly somewhere, then other birds can come and they can take it, na? Huh? They can damage their young ones also. They can damage their eggs also. So what they will do, for some time, for some days, they will sit on their eggs. And for what? To keep them warm. Got it? Clear till here? Now see. Most chicks do not have feathers and they are as helpless as you were when you were born. See what they are saying. Chicks. Chicks means baby bird. Okay. See, you can see in both the pictures. So most chicks do not have feathers. So whenever they born, they come out from the egg. They don't have feathers immediately. Slowly, they will get the feathers. And why they cannot fly? Because they are totally helpless. How birds fly? With the help of the feathers only. So if they don't have feathers, they cannot fly. So what they are saying, they are as helpless as you were when you were born. See, when you was born, did you walk immediately? Did you run immediately? Yes? No. You started first walking, then running, then you started come to school. Everything you started step by step, slowly, isn't it? So in the same way, birds also, when they born, they are very helpless. They cannot fly, isn't it? Because chicks do not have feathers. As they grow, the feathers also will grow. Clear till here? Now I'll move to the next point. Now see, some chicks have feathers and can run around. See what they are saying. Now as I said, chicks do not have feathers, but in some cases, some chicks, like different birds, different chicks have feathers, and what they can do, they can run around with the help of their legs, but they cannot fly, and the parents protect and feed the chicks until they can look after themselves and learn to fly. See, when they are small, when they come out of the egg, who will feed them? The mother, parent bird. Now you can see in this both the picture, the parents are feeding their baby birds, chicks. Okay. How much time they will look after them, parents birds? Till when they can find their food themselves and when they will learn to fly. See, they can, now birds, they will find their own food, isn't it? When they can find, when they can fly. What about chicks? First, chicks will start, some chicks do not have feathers only, and in some cases some chicks have feathers, but they can run around in this way, but they cannot fly, isn't it? So till that time, what parents will do? Parents will protect them, they will feed their baby chicks, and they will teach them to fly. Okay. After some certain period, they will leave their chicks from the nest to learn to fly. So once they will learn to fly, they can fly anywhere. They can find their own food, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes. Even when you were small, who were feeding you? Yes, your mother, father, grandpa, grandma were feeding you. Means they were giving you food with their hand. But now you have grown up. Now you are in 3rd standard. Yes or no? Now what you will do? You will eat by your own. Isn't it? So in the same way, birds also will do in same way. Got it? Now we'll move to the next point. Now see, after the young birds fly away, the parents also leave the nest. See what they are saying. Now first of all, the birds will build the nest for laying the eggs only. But what they are saying, once young birds fly away, the parents also leave the nest. See, you can see in the first picture, the mother parent bird is helping their chick to fly. After after few days. So once the baby chicks know to fly, how to fly, if they will learn, if they fly from the nest, so immediately the parents birds also leave the nest there itself. They will not come back to stay there only. Okay, they will not come back, they will leave there only. And the most bird build a new nest every time they have to, when they have to lay the eggs. See what they are saying about the bird. See, now what about humans? We build the house every time. After many after 5 years, 5 years, 5 years or 1 year we will build. No, once we will build the house, we'll stay there only for 50 or 50 years or 30 years. We'll do the construction, like we'll do, once we will construct our home, we will stay in that home for long time. But in the case of birds, they will not stay in one nest. Once they will lay the eggs, and once they young birds learn to fly, and they will leave that nest, and again if they want to lay the eggs, they will build the new nest every time. Now do you know one interesting thing about ostrich? Now see, you can see in the first picture the bird ostrich is there. So the ostrich lay the biggest eggs among all the birds. An ostrich egg is as big as 24 ants eggs put together in weight. So what they are saying, that ostrich bird lay very big egg in a size. So how much it is when we compare with the other eggs? Like if we keep 24 other eggs together, so it looks like a one egg of ostrich egg. Got it? In weight, yes. Now tell me the answer. Do chicks have feathers, students? Yes. Some they do have, some they do not have. Yes or no? Yes. When does a mother bird leave her babies? Tell me. Yes. Until the chicks can look after themselves and learn to fly. So till that time they will not leave their babies. Isn't it? Clear till here? Yes. Now I will show you one small video of hatching the bird.
After the eggs are laid, it takes about 21 days for a chick to hatch. During this time, the mother hen sits on the eggs to keep them warm.
She keeps turning the eggs with her beak to warm them from all sides. After 21 days, the eggs are ready to hatch. Let us watch how that happens. There you are. The eggs have hatched and the little chicks are out.
I hope you all have understood about the hatching. Now what is your today's assignment? Home assignment? Now read this full lesson by your own and underline the hard words and try to learn those hard words. Okay? Now we will see our next point in our next session. Okay? Till that time, thank you.